सो बेसिकली इट्स अ इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी देयर बिकॉज मेरे हस्बैंड को उन्होंने न्यूज़ में देखा कि दल फ्रीज़ हो रहा है, सो वी जस्ट पैक्ड आवर बैग्स कि हम यहाँ आए चलाई कलान के टाइम पे जैन में, एंड पता ही नहीं चला हफ्ते कैसे महीने हो गए, एंड देन यू नो इट्स बीन गुड 6-8 months नाउ। ट्रैक करना है बहुत सालों से सोचा था बट इतना कभी किया नहीं था, बट कश्मीर इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर इट्स सराउंडेड बाय ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन्स, तो मुझे वो इच्छा था कि मैं ट्रैक करूं। एवरी ट्रेल वॉज इंटरेस्टिंग, had its own difficulties and challenges. Kashmir was in my bucket list for a very long time. Kashmir Great Lakes Trail was in my list कि मुझे वो ट्रैक करना है for a very long time. But I think we just made up our mind and we came. So we are happy कि हमारे social circle में we are able to spread this positivity कि you know you can come here, you can explore Kashmir as a tourist destination. And you can feel safe here.
I know the challenges that she has. I know the health issues, right? And she's worked through all of that. My brother, who's a trainer, has actually trained her. She's put in that effort to actually become strong, to you know build that endurance. क्योंकि हम लोग जहाँ से आते हैं वो वहाँ पे हवा में ज़्यादा नमी होती है, यहाँ पे it's very dry, right? And the moment you gain altitude, it gets very difficult. There were a lot of lakes which they couldn't do because the approach was not open. Right. So उसके बाद I remember she called me and saying मेरे को ये हो रहा है, मेरे को ये हो रहा है, and I'm like stop it, you've taken a challenge, let's do it, right? And then she's just gone ahead and done it and never cribbed about it. So very proud.